What's up, y'all? Welcome back to the channel. And if you're new here, my name is Victor Nguyen, and this is my BRZ. Bro, I still can't believe that this is my car, but if you guys missed the last video, we actually wrapped my BRZ in my friend's garage, and this thing's a totally different color. Literally looks insane. At first, I was thinking it was more like a Ruby Star, like the Inazitech color and the Porsche color, but now that I'm looking at it more, it's more like pink, and it's just like super bright, especially in the sun, and it looks crazy, bro. Damn. But as you can see on the front bumper, we still got a wrap right here through the middle and on the other side. So that's what we're gonna do today. And we also gotta add some finishing touches on the car. I got a front lip, brand new front lip, carbon fiber fender fins, and also wrap the duckbill and add that. And I was gonna add the side skirts back on and wrap those too, but unfortunately we ran out of wrap. So literally, if you look in my car, it's a ton of freaking scrap pieces, but none of these pieces I don't think are big enough to wrap the side skirt, so that's fine. We'll just have to order more wrap. But yeah, we got my brand new front lip in here as well. Let's get back to work on this thing. Finally complete the look, bro. Alright, we got the front bumper off, and I got these random scrap pieces that I have laying around. So I think I'm gonna do 3 pieces. I'm gonna do one piece right there, another piece in the middle, and another piece right there. So I'm gonna use this piece for the middle, something like that, and then yeah, 2 extra pieces on the sides, and I think that should work. Alright, we just finished up the front bumper. Let me show you guys. Again, it's not perfect whatsoever. Obviously, a wrap shop would do it better than how I do. But you know what? I'm having fun, and I'm also learning how to wrap the car. So, yeah, let me just show you guys. We got this part all wrapped up, all the way through the middle, and even on this side right here. Again, like there's like little gaps that I missed. And you can see a little bit of black poking through some spots. But overall, I'm pretty satisfied with how I did. This side's a lot more clean because this side was the second side I went through. But honestly, I don't really care too much. As long as, you know, it looks good while I'm driving, looks good parked, looks good in pictures, I'm good with that. So just finished up wrapping the bumper. Now is the moment that I have been waiting for. In this packaging right here, we got my new front lip. And let me just open it up for you guys so we can install it. Alright, here we got the front lip. I just got it mocked up right now on the front bumper, and bro, it looks so good and so aggressive. And this lip right here is actually from Icon Motorsports, and it's the CS style lip, I believe. Before, I did have a carbon fiber lip on this bumper. To be honest, I felt like I was gonna break that thing, so went with a more durable lip. This is polyurethane, I believe. Should be stronger, and it's actually cheaper too, so if I break it, I won't feel as bad. I actually bought this lip off of Amazon, so if any of y'all want a sick ass front lip, Amazon, bro, Icon Motorsports. And along with the lip, they also gave some hardware. So here we got some self-tapping screws. So yep, let's go ahead and self-tap this front lip onto the bumper and slap it back on the car, bro. Just finished putting on the front lip. Just used all the self-tapping screws. We got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14 self-tapping screws. And I should probably switch it out with nut and bolts, but I'll do that later on in the future. But yeah, hopefully this thing isn't going anywhere. 14 self-tappers. That should be enough, right? Bro, that looks insane. That's crazy how much like a front lip can make such a big difference. Oh my gosh. Damn, let me know what you guys think so far of how the BRZ is coming along. It's like I have a whole different car. It's crazy. Oh, it looks so good. The next thing we got to do is we got the carbon fiber fender garnishes. So this will go on here just like that. Damn, I know this carbon clear coat is pretty cooked, but whatever, bro. Time to use this big ass roll of 3M tape. This thing is actually insane. What the fuck? Yes, sir. We got Danny on the phone. Everybody get his reaction right now. You ready, bro? Oh, shit.
Wait, let me take a guess.
Did you see it? Did you see it?
That's actually tough, I'm not gonna lie.
Did you see
I
it?
didn't like that color, bro. You know I don't like it, but it looks tough.
Did you see it though?
I think I saw it.
What was it? What was it?
Are you gonna bleep it out if I say it? Or
No, it's cool. They already know, bro. They already know.
Is it Ruby Star Red?
Shit.
It's clean, bro. Honestly, it's clean. I didn't think you were gonna be able to pull it off. You know how I felt about that color, bro.
Yeah, but it's like a little bit different than Ruby Star, bro. It's like low key like more pink.
I was gonna say that. I like it, bro. I actually like it. Like, I like it a little bit better than Ruby Star. Ruby Star's a little darker, right?
Yeah, it's like a little bit darker. This thing's like hella bright, bro. Like look at this in the sun, bro. It looks crazy.
Yeah, that shit looks good, bro. No, it looks like hot.
Yeah, it's like hot pink.
Yeah, I like it. I'll fuck with it.
Got duckbill right here. This is the final piece to the puzzle, and we just wrapped it. Yes, sir. Clean. We made a seam right here with knifeless tape, but honestly, you can't really tell. Final piece to the puzzle. Car is finally complete, except for the side skirts. All right, guys, we just finished up. I pulled up the car right here and just parked it up. And bro, it looks so good. Boom. Pretty much the car is almost done. The only thing missing is the side skirts, but yeah, we'll just have to order more wrap for that. It's crazy because this car is like so many different colors. Right now it looks kind of like, yeah, it's like a deeper color right now in the shade, but when the sun hits it, it looks like hot pink, bro. It's crazy. But yeah, we also got the duckbill on officially. Here's how the rear end looks. That looks so good. Obviously, the side skirts will finish it off, and we even put back on the carbon fiber fender fins right here. And man, it feels so good, so refreshing to have the car all done, all in one piece. And it's just like I have a brand new car, bro. It's crazy. But yeah, let me know what you guys think of the new wrap color, the new front lip, new everything. Yeah, man, I'm super happy with how it's looking right now, and I'm just gonna enjoy the car as is. But yeah, I think I'm gonna wrap off this video right here. So if you guys made it to the end, let me know what y'all think of the new wrap color and the new finished look for the BRZ. And also don't forget to hit that like and subscribe. I'll catch y'all in the next one. Peace out. BRZ right here, and now it's time to put on the side skirts. We got the side skirts all wrapped up, and that's the missing piece of the car because the car got spats, front lip, spoiler, taillights, exhaust. Only thing missing to complete the build is the side skirts. So